Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Most important question of the subject name is biology and the chapter name is biotechnology, principle of and process. So let's start the video, and here the question number first is commonly used for human genome sequencing are, and here the options: option A tDNA, option B BAC and YAC, option C express vector, option D TA cloning vectors. And the correct answer is option B BAC and YAC. Now move on question number second. A gross gel extracted from seaweed is used in, and here the options: option A PCR, option B tissue culture, option C spectrophotometry and option D gel electrophoresis. And the correct answer is option D gel electrophoresis. Now move on question number third. What is the DNA or RNA fragment contained in a radioactive molecule called? And here the options: option A probe, option B clone, option C vector and option D plasmid. And the correct answer is option A probe. Now move on question number 4. Gel electrophoresis is used for, and here the options: option A suppression of DNA molecule, option B cutting of DNA into fragments, option C preparation of recombinant DNA by ligation with cloning vectors, option D suppression of DNA fragments according their size. And the correct answer is option D suppression of DNA fragments according to their size. Now move on question number 5. Two very useful microorganisms in genetic engineering are, and here the options: option A Escherichia coli and Agrobacterium tumefaciens, option B Vibrio cholerae and tailed bacteriophage, option C Diplococcus sp and Pseudomonas sp and option D crown round bacteria and Cyanohabit elegans. And the correct answer is option A Escherichia coli and Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Now move on question number 6. Which of the following is not an application of PCR? And here the options: option A gene amplification, option B purification of the isolated protein, option C detection of gene mutation and option D molecular diagnosis. And the correct answer is option B purification of isolated protein. Now move on question number 7. What are straight tank bioreactors designed for? And here the options: option A to maintain the availability of O2 throughout the process, option B for purification of product, option C to add preservatives to the products and option D to maintain anaerobic condition in the growth tube. And the correct answer is option A to maintain the availability of O2 throughout the process. Now move on question number 8. What is the correct sequence of steps in polymerase chain reaction? And here the options: option A diffusion, deactivation, annealing, option B annealing, expansion, deactivation, option C deactivation, diffusion, annealing and option D denaturation, annealing and extension. And the correct answer is option D denaturation, annealing and extension. Now move on question number 9. The enzymes which cut DNA at specific recognition sites are, and here the options: option A ligase, option B exonuclease, option C restriction endonuclease and option D DNA polymerase. And the correct answer is option C restriction endonuclease. Now move on question number 10. The method by which recombinant DNA can be injected directly into the animal cell is, and here the options: option A gene gun, option B biolistic, option C microinjection and option D bioreactor. And the correct answer is option C microinjection. So guys, this is the video. Like, share, subscribe for more this type of content. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, जय हिंद.